Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Beyond Meat Inc. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Beyond Meat Inc., start by educating yourself about the company. Research what Beyond Meat does and its position in the plant-based food industry. Understand the risks and rewards associated with investing in stocks. Next, choose a reputable brokerage platform for your investment. Look for platforms that offer user-friendly interfaces and good customer support. Create an account by providing your personal information and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, deposit funds to start investing. Check the current stock price of Beyond Meat Inc. You can find this information on your brokerage platform or financial news websites. Decide how many shares of Beyond Meat you'd like to purchase. Before buying, consider your investment strategy and budget. Navigate to the search bar on your brokerage platform. Type in Beyond Meat Inc. or its stock ticker symbol, which is BYND. Review the stock's recent performance, including any news. Click on the option to buy shares when you're ready. Choose between a market order and a limit order. A market order buys at the current price, while a limit order sets a specific buy price. Confirm the details of your order before finalizing the transaction. After your purchase, monitor your investment regularly. Review company news and market trends that may affect the stock's value. Consider setting up alerts for price changes or important news. If you're new to investing, consider consulting with a financial advisor. Take your time to learn and make informed decisions as you invest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.